Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mumu button pressers and professional Netflix watchers, welcome to another episode of Seriously Unserious Reviews. I am your host, Chief Anonymous, the only man who watched episode 1 and shout, "Ayé mi o, who sent me Ghana?" Hello. Today I bring you one word, one sentence, and one entire wahala to kill a monkey. Abẹ́rẹ́. Yes, don't be deceived. Dem no kill monkey. Na monkey wey dey kill himself gradually with foolish decisions. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, meet Efe, a struggling father who borrowed sense from his village but refused to use it. He said, "No money," then bring Yahoo. He say, "Oya, let's go." Before you know it, he don dey press button. He don dey press laptop like say he dey write jam. And just when you think it can't get worse, boom, Obos enters. That one na Yahoo kingpin with pepper soup mouth and agba Yahoo charisma. Walai, the man fit sell beans to a woman wey just finish eating rice. But make I yarn you true, this movie get blood pressure. 1 minute you dey laugh, the next minute you dey shout, ẹ gbà mí o." If you don use church offering again, who born this man Ghana? Tí ẹ gan pọ̀. Acting is 10/10. Dialogue, that one e dey choke. Kemi Adetigba, that woman na director wey sabi pepper soup and plot twist. She go fry your expectation and serve you with small onions of pain. But make I no lie kí n má parọ́ kí n má jalè. Episode 1 be like NEPA. E dey start slow, but by episode 3, na you go dey bing like say e too dey fast. Ọlọ́run. Okay, my final verdict. If you never watch To Kill a Monkey, my brother, my sister, no go market without your change. This series go teach you say sometimes na you be the monkey wey dey kill himself small. Watch it, cry, laugh, judge, but not judge too much. Efe, and thank God say na series, not real life. Don't forget to like, share, and follow because Chief Anonymous will always watch nonsense on your behalf. Seriously Unserious as usual. Peace, plantain, and pepper soup. Ire o. I'm tún pàdé in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't get it twisted. I'm seeing the building. Ire o.